2018 Chevy Silverado Z71. One of my favorite motors is in it, the 6.2 liter V8 beast of a truck. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys is got stock converters there and there, then a factory third converter right there, then 3.5-inch pipe. Then what we got done on it for you guys is white pipe duals, straight pipe duals there and there, mandrel bent tailpipes into 4-inch angle cut tips there and there, black. He didn't want it too big, too loud. He wanted it loud but not big, so we'll see how he likes this one and we'll go from there. This is the muffler, resonator, and tailpipe we cut off right there. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. And it is the LTZ, so it's the fully loaded trucks, which I don't blame them for doing. Please comment and subscribe. Much better. Woo. Again? It's 110. I see the 113. Oh, 113 again? Knock it on. Yeah, 117. It's that 6.2.
Yeah. That's why I was so excited to do
Yeah.
that. I was like, dude, it's gonna sound bad.
Yeah, you gotta do that third cat, dude. We gotta change that cat out. You'll open it up even more. Next paycheck. Yeah. Woo. Dirty, dirty. Again? That sounds really good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Like ship them? We don't do shipping, bro. If you go on the videos, there's links to all the tips and everything we do.